I work in human resources as an employee experience manager.
And I'm a flight attendant. We originally met in Nashville, where I'm from, and Spencer said, you know, I'm never moving back to Iowa. And then a couple of years ago, his mom was diagnosed with cancer, and that was our reason for coming back to Iowa.
I lost my mom, but then, you know, we knew that we wanted to be with family, so we thought Iowa was going to be the more logical sense.
Originally, it was just temporary. Then I fell in love with it, and he fell back in love with it, and so we're putting roots down.
There's nothing better than owning your own home. You just have to not get in over your head.
I think, you know, we could easily go up to $400,000.
I think that 300 should be our max. I think a few projects will be fun. We can make it our own. I mean, Spencer already likes to decorate and everything. He likes to make things his own. And so why would you pay a premium to move into a move-in ready home when you're gonna change it anyways?
No, I don't want to start tearing into walls and then find, oh, there's rot, and we have to replace, you know, 1,000 of the 1,500 square feet that we just bought. I would like something a little bit newer, not a ton of work. Like a nice ranch home, that would be fine. It would be very manageable.
No, absolutely not.
My gosh.
Don't like ranch homes. You know, I like old houses.
Kevin likes it old.
I know.
I grew up in a 1970s ranch, and I loved that it was all brick, and that's about all that I liked about it. Because I want a staircase, and I want the separation of rooms. My style is old school, Tudor home, all brick. I want all the character, the glass doorknobs.
I want there to be some character, but at the same time, I want it to be a little more modern.
Fenced-in backyard for Hugo.
Yeah, you know, definitely want
Hugo
something
needs
so
a fence.
Hugo can run around, you know, we can let him out and not have to worry about him taking off.
100%.
Absolutely.
I would say Beaverdale's a little bit more of the urban, kind of walkable neighborhood. And we just got to see the houses and kind of go from there.
Where am I walking to? Nowhere. It's suburban central, not even a place to grab a coffee or anything.
I don't know. I mean, we could get you a new bicycle, you know.
No.
What was that?
A speed bump.
There was no signs.
Spencer has no interest in projects. They're heading to an updated ranch. But since it's already renovated, it's more money than Kevin wants to spend.
Over half the house has a garage door on the front of it. I mean, no curb appeal whatsoever.
What do you mean there's no curb appeal?
No curb appeal for anyone with taste.
I think it's cute. I think it looks really good. This is nice. This giant patio.
Hello
How are you?
there. How are
How's
you?
it going?
Good.
What do you think so far?
I think it's great. Ranch, can't complain.
Yeah,
Seems like a pretty busy street.
it is. It
Yeah.
is.
Let's
Garage
see.
on the front. Kevin's
Yeah.
not a fan.
I know. But keep an open mind.
Sounds good.
I will.
Today's house, we're on the south side of Des Moines in a very desirable neighborhood. This is more of a Spencer house, not a Kevin house, but I think there's some things that they can come together on.
It's really nice. I really like the floors.
But are they original?
No, this house has been completely remodeled from top to bottom.
Okay.
Okay,
So-
that's good.
Yeah.
Got a fireplace. Nice and cozy in the winter.
Now they've got it as a workout room
Yeah.
too, but it could be anything. It could
Yeah.
be your office.
I would say this is a great space, great size for an office.
Big window.
Absolutely.
Nicely updated bathroom.
Oh, and it's big too.
Yes.
Wow. And this is a guest room?
This is a guest room.
Okay, perfect.
Look
Yeah.
in there.
Oh,
So, you
they
know,
have
if
their
your
own
parents...
bathroom.
Oh, wow, okay.
Spencer, this is going to be your room.
Yeah, this is your kitchen.
Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. I mean, we have the space here. We've got the updated appliances. Look, we've got gas.
Yeah, absolutely. No, I'll give you this. This is a great kitchen.
And it's open. Look at
Yeah.
this. The light, the windows.
Wow.
Look at that.
This is amazing.
It's lacking character. It really is. There's no old character.
But we can put our own character into it.
With what money?
We don't have to do it right
Your
away.
furnishings, you know, you could...
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
This is the primary bedroom. Very nice size.
Another fireplace,
That's
Kevin.
nice. Plenty of space. That backsplash or whatever you'd call that is a little weird. I don't think
I
I
kind of
love
like
that.
it. I don't know. It kind of gives more just like tone and depth to the room. This is a great space.
That's nice that we have a bathroom back here.
Absolutely.
And it's been updated.
It's perfect. We're just the two of us.
Look at this, guys.
Wow.
You have a park.
Holy cow.
Yeah, this is nice.
This is better than nice, Kevin. Look at this.
Yeah.
Think of Hugo. Think of all the places he can run and just love it out here.
Yeah.
You know, obviously, I think we could update, you know, some paint colors, some light fixtures and stuff, but those are so minimal.
It is at the very top of our price range, and it would have to take a minute while we save up after buying something at this price.
Yeah, we could do the painting ourselves.
I don't know, it's growing on me. I love the space, but
Yeah.
I don't think I'm feeling it as much as you are. It says coffee shops nearby, so that's good.
Oh, yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah, so like I said, you know, should be close to walking distances and everything.
Don't like the garage on the front.
Yeah.
Love that it's all bricked.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Yeah.
I love the dormers are really nice and everything.
Come on in.
Wow, it's super cute in
So
here.
look, a fireplace.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So you got one thing, good.
I love the walls.
Yeah.
though. Look at the curve.
Oh
on
yeah,
the
that is.
ceiling.
Nowadays, you cannot build a house with these details, especially not in this location. There aren't lots to be sold. A central location within the city that's right where we need it to be. It's great.
I
This is
really
cool.
like
Is this
this.
a den, a bedroom?
Well, I was thinking office.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah.
Check out this bathroom.
Oh goodness.
Okay. Oh, holy cow.
Wow. Okay.
You wanted original.
Yeah, I'll give it
It's
that.
got some cool original details.
Yeah, I don't know if you're gonna fit in that shower, Kevin.
I'm not. Nope, that's too short. We're
Yeah.
gonna have to do something there.
This is very small. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I like that it's separate. It's,
Yeah, I think it's
yeah.
original. That's a cool detail.
Absolutely.
Well, in this era, you're going to have small.
Yeah.
That's true. Behind you is some nice built-ins.
Oh, yeah.
Also good linen storage and everything. Okay, I'm not the biggest fan. It's very small. I don't like it.
All right, look at the
It's-
positives. We've got quartz or granite or whatever it is.
Granite.
Really nice.
This is not the chef's kitchen that I'm looking for.
Tell me what you think about this backyard.
A lot of green, a lot of
Say what?
plants.
Yeah.
This is interesting. They just kind of left their cabinets here.
Yeah.
Well, we can move those.
Yeah, I'm gonna be out here by myself. Oh,
Bring Nana.
Yeah.
You've got a pond.
oh yeah.
Okay.
Kevin, that's actually really cute. Oh,
It is
careful,
cool.
Yeah.
Spare bedroom.
Yeah.
Good size. Hate this.
Yeah, what is
Do
that light
not-
fixture?
Do not like that.
It's pretty
That's-
dark in here again.
Yeah. First thing, the pink has got to go.
Yeah,
Oh.
pink is gotta go.
Yeah. Not for me. Very good size though. Our king bed would easily.
Yeah.
Easily fit.
I love
here.
the 3 windows.
Yeah. Awesome.
All right.
We have a second bathroom.
Okay, so a nice
Very
attached
nice
bathroom.
surprise.
Wow. Okay. Again with the original tile.
And I love that it's just right off the primary.
Yeah.
So tell me what you're thinking.
You know, it's a cute home. Don't get me wrong.
Careful on the
There's-
stairs.
Yeah. It's small. It's dark and it's tight.
It's got a lot of that old character. Location's phenomenal.
Yeah. That's a plus.
And the lighting can be changed. The
Yep.
paint can be changed.
Yeah, but it's got the garage on the front.
It does.
We've been through this. We
Yeah.
know if it's something you want to go with, we gotta
Yeah.
move quick.
Spencer and Kevin want to see one more place in Beaverdale to see if this one will work better for them.
Oh, I love the color.
Yeah. I think this is a shared driveway.
Yeah, but why does it matter? You're not driving.
I don't want to share a driveway with someone else. It's our backyard and
But
stuff.
if I'm driving, it doesn't matter. I mean, it's not like you're going to be driving a car up here.
Yeah, but I still own the house and I don't want to share it with someone.
Please.
Hello.
How's it going?
Going great.
Good. Beautiful house.
Yeah.
And say, what's your thoughts so far?
I like it, yeah.
Yeah.
Good curb appeal.
You know, the
Well
older
maintained.
homes kind of make me nervous, but I mean, you can definitely tell they've, loved on it. They've cared for it.
It's a shared driveway, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
but
afraid so.
as I told him, he doesn't drive.
Okay.
I do like there's no garage on the front.
Good sized room.
It is, but it's a little dark in here. I don't know about that.
I
Yeah.
love the stained glass.
Yeah, it
Those
is
are really
pretty.
cool.
Very, very well kept,
Yeah.
which is nice. So,
Absolutely. Yeah, huge room.
Yeah, our couch would easily
Absolutely.
fit in here.
Yeah.
This is a bonus room. You
Oh.
could have an office.
So is this one of the 3 bedrooms then?
No, there are 3.
Oh, there are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a true.
True office for you. I love this. The character in here is beautiful.
Yeah.
Windows.
You know, I was looking at the windows in the living room also, and Kevin, these are original windows. That's gonna be outrageous
In the winter.
to replace all of these windows.
Yeah, they are beautiful though. All the woodwork, and they tie in with this built-in.
I mean, yeah, but Iowa, it's cold here in the
Yeah.
winter. It's gonna, I think Kevin's just like seeing all kinds of like sparkles. He's like super excited. All the original windows and floors and stuff. It sounds like, you know, this is money like pouring down the drain because you gotta fix all of that. I wish we had a family handshake, or like, I wish I could give her a look when we're on tours and be like, we need to get out of here. Wow. Yeah, you know.
I know.
It's been updated, but it's not been updated for the style of the home.
Yeah,
I mean,
not at
seriously, like big box store called, it wants its kitchen back. It's pretty bad.
Yeah, but it does have gas.
It has gas, which is a plus, but I mean, like this is like bowling ball, kind of like high top
Yeah.
countertops here. Like, what is this?
I knew we'd have a little issue here.
Okay.
Nice size.
Yeah.
You got your hardwoods.
Now these are the guest bedrooms, right?
Correct.
Not the master. Okay. This tile looks original, or it looks like it could be original.
Period.
Yeah.
Well, it's probably just period.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
could be. Here's the primary bedroom. These windows have been replaced.
Oh yeah, they
Yeah.
have been.
know-
So I guess you can cross that off the list. Just every
Perfect.
other window in the house. So.
And you also have your
Oh,
own bathroom.
Another
Okay.
bathroom here. Okay. Wow. What is this tiny sink?
Well, I think they were trying to save space.
Yeah.
It's nice that it's up here. We wouldn't
That's
have to go
true.
downstairs.
Yeah. We would have kind of have our own privacy.
You have a 2-car garage.
Okay, that's
Well.
nice. It's not fenced in, so we'd have to
Yeah.
do something about that with Hugo.
Yeah. Another added expense to an old home.
I really like it. I mean, I understand the kitchen's not perfect,
It is nowhere near perfect.
but I mean, this character, this neighborhood,
Yeah.
it's beautiful.
I mean, it is, but just think of like all of the projects that we're gonna have to do. So.
But you do have your extra office. You've
Yeah.
got the 3 bedrooms
Yeah.
still.
There's pros and cons. I think there's more cons than pros.
If we left it up to Hugo, he would pick the big brick ranch. I mean, it's got the huge yard for him to play in, and he wouldn't have to go
Yeah.
upstairs.
No, I agree. I think he would be super happy there. It was really nice. A lot of space. It was updated right away. We wouldn't have to do anything.
It is not in the neighborhood we want. We're really compromising on location there. What'd
Yeah.
you think of the Beaverdale brick? That's probably the best located one out of all that we've seen.
Yeah. Again, really cute, great neighborhood. I did not like how dark it was.
It was dark.
Yeah, that backyard though, holy cow, that would need quite a bit of elbow grease. I don't know that I necessarily want to do all of that.
Craftsman Bungalow, that one's beautiful. The neighborhood is so historic.
Yeah, the kitchen,
Yeah.
it was very small. I feel like we're gonna have to put in a lot of money. Yeah,
The woodwork and
yeah.
everything.
There's no fenced-in backyard. The other 2 houses, they both had fenced-in backyards. Kim's gonna be wanting an answer from us on something here soon.
I'm sure we can come to some decision.
Careful of Hugo. We bought the Beaverdale brick.
Because it's in the exact location we wanted.
We can walk places, and it's full of young couples.
I think the compromises for me was really the garage on front, although it's not as bad as I thought.
I absolutely compromised on the kitchen.
I was not comfortable spending $400,000 because I knew he'd come in, and even if it was perfect, Spencer would want to change something. And so I'm very happy that we have a lot of room to make the changes we want.